This is the biggest pickup truck in the world. It's called Bigfoot 5 and sits on these massive 10-foot tyres. They were originally designed for a military land train that could survive in the Alaskan tundra. But not only is Bigfoot 5 the tallest pickup truck in the world, at 15 feet and 6 inches tall, it's also the heaviest, weighing in at 28,000 pounds. That's roughly the same weight as not one, but two T-Rexes. But as you can imagine, the process for changing Bigfoot's giant tyres is a long one. However, once the tyres are on, a new problem is presented. How the hell do you get in? It's a long climb to the top, and requires a good bit of balance to make it into the cab. But once you're in, what a truck it is to drive.